Hello, today we are going to be unboxing our Christmas Sephora haul. So I'm just going to open it right on up. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. I had a wonderful Christmas with my husband and my two sons. It was our youngest son's first Christmas this year, so that was pretty awesome. So first things first, I ordered this Christmas set. It was on sale, and it is like multi-chrome pigmented, so I'm really excited about that. I have not tried it at all, so that'll be interesting. We'll open that up here in a minute. The next thing I got was Sephora's Destinations. There's like a multi-chrome eyeshadow in here I've been looking at for a little while. I really like multi-chrome items. They're very, very cool. Then I got Argiline Solution, 10%. This with the Matrixyl over here that I use. The Ordinary is my favorite skincare brand, but these two together really help with fine lines and wrinkles, and it makes like a substantial difference, so that is necessary. Put that up on my backstock shelf. Then I got, oh, I'm so excited to open this, the Too Faced Let It Snow Globes. There's like 3 eyeshadow palettes in this, so I'm really pumped to open this up. And then I got 2 little samples. I love samples. The Lime Sands, I'll try that and smell it. And then some sort of face mask. First, we're gonna open up the Let It Snow by Too Faced. Okay. So the first one I'm getting into is this little one right here. Wow. Is that ever gorgeous? That is so, so, so cute. The one I'm most interested to see is the Winter Bells. That is nice. That is really, really, really nice. Can't wait to swatch that. I love that. It's so cute and so dinky. I love it. Oh my gosh, and if you get this, you can actually gift them like individually because they have a little thing on the back to say to and from. That is really nice, especially like if you have a couple of girls or something. Then I got the gingerbread one. Ooh. Oh, okay. The one I'm most excited for in this one is the plum pudding. This purple right here. It kind of looks multi-chrome, and I am so pumped. Let us see what we got here. Oh, it's definitely multi-chrome. It is gorgeous. That's going to be such a nice eyeshadow topper. I love it. I think they're so cute, and I like that each one kind of comes with like a blush. I love blush, so. And then the last one in this little box. Oh, that's so gorgeous. What a cute little bird. That is so sweet. I love that. That is beautiful. I'm really looking forward to that color right there. Gorgeous. Next, we are going to try and open up this Destinations. I'm most excited to swatch that dual chrome one. I love dual chrome. Oh wow, that is beautiful, and as you can tell, this one's going to be our dual chrome. Let's get that. So that is gorgeous. Oh yeah, that is nice. I like that. So I can't wait to use that. Then the other thing that we have to open is this. This is just gorgeous. The packaging is beautiful too. Let's get that off there. A little hard to open, but not too bad. I assume it's going to be worth it. Oh, I am so excited to try this. Gonna have to use my knife, my handy dandy knife. There we go. Oh wow, look at how that opens. That is gorgeous. That is just beautiful. All right. Okay, so I've never tried her stuff. This looks gorgeous. It is confetti. I can't wait to swatch this. This has to be swatched. Oh wow. Look at that. That is something else. Okay, look at how that comes up on my finger. That is so, so gorgeous. I'm actually just going to put this right on my eyelid. Give you a show. Barely comes out. I have a feeling that this is going to be a really gorgeous topper. It is gorgeous. Like, just gorgeous. In person, it actually shows up a little bit better when I look in my mirror, but it is beautiful little glitter. It's going to be the perfect little topper just to, like, make it look real gorgeous. Alright. Now I want to look at her other part to this. Okay, so what is this? This is rock candy. I've never tried this before either, but I'm excited. Alright. Oh wow, that is really pretty. So these are definitely both like toppers. It's that one right there. That is really gorgeous. A little bit more pigment in this one, but wow, that is something else. I really love this haul. It's very sparkly. Obviously right now I'm really into dual chrome things, so I love it. I love everything that I got. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season.